Hey guys, Normal Consumer here. Sorry, didn't see or hear you guys there. And the holidays are finally here, for better or for worse. And with the holiday season comes plenty of traveling, whether that be by land, sea, or air. You can guarantee you're going to be around a lot of noisy people, crying babies, yelling adults, yelling kids, etc., etc. You know what helped alleviate this? A good pair of noise-canceling headphones. But how do they work? Let's talk about it. And since it's the holidays, I'll leave links down for some highly rated noise-canceling headphones down below, just in case you're behind on shopping for your loved ones. But first, as usual, if you learn something new, if I can make you chuckle before the end of this video, if you like how I'm rocking, or if you just like my vibe, then go ahead, like and subscribe. While you're at it, hit the little bell icon too to turn those notifications away. Ding! You know when I upload something new. Side note, I am not an expert. I'm just sharing what I learned from various sources. So you don't have to read all of that yourself. But if you really want to, I will leave the links down in the description below. Now back to it. Okay, so sound is caused by moving particles in the air, or as described by soundgas.com, sound as you hear is really just a compression and decompression of the particles in the medium in which it flows through. That medium is air, in this case, everybody. Now our brains and ears decipher these moving particles. The particles actually cause rapid changes in the air pressure, and our amazing brains and ears work in tandem to decipher this into sound. Amazing, right? So how do noise-canceling headphones work? By creating anti-noise, of course, and that is easy peasy. And this anti-noise is created by phase inversion, which sounds hard. And yes, anti-noise sounded better and user-friendlier. So buckle up. Okay, so when two identical waves match each other, they're considered in phase. So in order to get the noise canceling we want, our headphones have to disrupt that synchronicity. These sound waves need to be knocked out of sync. And one of the sound waves needs to be delayed ever so slightly to knock the sound waves out of phase. So how do noise canceling headphones do all of this? Well, modern day headphones are smarter than anything we had in the past. Noise canceling headphones use built-in microphones to constantly monitor and sample ambient noise, kind of like a producer. By sampling the incoming noise, noise-canceling headphones are able to create sound which is opposite to the noise you want canceled out. So think jet engines, crying babies, loud conversations, etc. can all be muffled out while you can keep listening to your favorite music. And the really good noise-canceling headphones do a damn good job of this. And as I said in the beginning of this video, there are some links down below to some highly rated noise-canceling headphones. Because this video is over, and this is the simplest way on how noise-canceling headphones work. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, if I made you chuckle before the end of this video, or if you just like my vibe, then go ahead, like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon too to turn the notifications away. Ding! You know when I upload something new. And please let me know what you think about this video down in the comments, that way I can improve. And don't forget to check it over here for more to watch. Other than that, this has been Normal Consumer. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And safe travels over this Thanksgiving weekend.